Since you guys really want to see what my setup was all about, so I ended up making this video. This is setup tour 2018, so let's get started. The most important part of the setup is the desk itself, and I want to make my desk as simple as possible, so the desk is custom made. This desk comes with no supporting legs and is fixed with the wall. It also has two huge doors which can keep your all tech related stuff. I personally went with white color because white adds minimalistic touch to your setup. Since it's a custom made, I can't tell you how to make it, but you can get the idea. For comfort, I am using the rolling chair, black in color. This chair comes with adjustable height. I bought this chair from the local market, so can't give you the link to purchase it, but you can purchase it from any furniture shop. Starting from the left side of my desk, I have got my tripods. The first one is my main tripod from which I shoot B-rolls, pan and zoom shots, and the other one is my mini tripod. This tripod comes handy when I shoot objects which are on the desk itself. So link for these will be given in the description box below, so make sure to check it. Next up is keyboard and mouse. I use Dell keyboard and mouse combo set. The keys of this keyboard are soft to press and gets job done. It can handle casual gaming and typing, but for long hours I use my quantum joystick. I am comfortable with it. If in future I plan to upgrade, I will definitely buy a PS4. With all these things, I also added a lamp to my setup. Looks really cool, gives you a really amazing background for shooting videos. Main thing I liked in this lamp is that you can really control the brightness, and it's completely made out of ceramic and is pretty cheap. Link will be given in the description box below. Now moving on to the adjacent wall, I have this beautiful design which I made myself and gives you a really good background for videos. Now the main part of the setup is RGB lights. RGB lights add some extra punch to my setup. You can manually control the color and change the look of your entire setup. For monitor, I am using LG 22-inch IPS monitor. If you haven't checked the review of this monitor, here is the link in the I button. This monitor is good enough for gaming and editing stuff and also comes with a refresh rate of 75Hz. Now moving on to the last and the most integral part of my setup is PC. It's custom made. The case I am using is Spec 01 with side window. Case is spacious and can hold all my components easily. Inside it, I went with Intel i5 7600K for editing and gaming purpose, along with 16GB of Vengeance RAM clocked at 2400 MHz. For GPU, I went with GTX 1060 6GB OC edition. It can handle all games at 1080p resolution with high settings. I am still running on a stock cooler, but will plan to upgrade and do some overclocking stuff. For detailed information for my PC, be sure to check out description box below. With that being said guys, this was my setup tour of 2018. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. This is Yash signing out, and I will catch you guys in the next one.